reading the question for you. Question is RNA interference, which is also called as RNAi. Okay, RNAi. RNA interference is used for which of the following purposes in the field of biotechnology? Question is asking the use of RNAi in the field of biotechnology, the particular field of biotechnology. 4 options are: to develop tolerance to antibiotic stress. Second option is to develop a pest-resistant plant against infestation by nematodes. Option 3 is to enhance mineral uses by the plants, and option 4 is to reduce post-harvest loss. I'm directly answering it, then I shall explain it to you. The option number 2, that is to develop a pest-resistant plant against infestation by nematodes. RNA interference, you can see from its name that this RNA interfere with certain genes to silence the particular genes so that a new form of organism that or plant would be produced. Especially RNA interference is used in pest resistance. Okay, so here I am explaining the answer. Option number 2 is the correct option. It is used for pest resistance, and here is the explanation. Answer. Yeah. RNA is a potent phenomenon. RNAi or RNA interference is a potent phenomenon in which short double-stranded RNA, that is dsRNA, determines specific gene expression. It disintegrates the target RNA it is target mRNA in the cytoplasm. RNAi is helpful in creating new adaptive features in plants by genetic modification. RNAi based genetically modified plants are more efficient in silencing the gene expression or target gene expression. As I told you, RNAi interferes the genetic expression so that the target gene can be silenced and a more adaptive organism can be formed here. And RNAi is a potent phenomenon in which short double-stranded RNA here, double-stranded RNA, usually RNA are single-stranded, but here so double-stranded RNA in case of RNAi phenomenon or process determines a specific gene expression. It disintegrates the target mRNA in the cytoplasm. You know that mRNA carries the genetic information. If this RNAi silence the particular mRNA, then the silence gene, which is making the organism weak or cannot adapt for the environment, transcribed into cytoplasm so that no such protein is formed. Okay, then RNAi is helpful in creating new adaptive feature. After silencing the target gene, new feature is developed in plant by genetic modification. RNAi is based on genetically modified plants are more. The result of RNAi is the genetically modified plant, and they are more efficient. And RNAi is the good method for silencing the gene expression. Okay, here I have RNAi or RNA interference. Sorry. Excuse me. Involves specific tissue gene silencing. Tissue gene silencing. It has done with suitable promoters. Okay, promoters. RNAi improves crop yield, generates plants with novel traits. Novel means new. With novel traits, that is therefore the correct option is 2. Okay, I already highlighted it. Okay, that is to produce pest resistant plant, to develop a pest resistant plant against infestation by nematodes. Okay, yeah, this is all about the question answer, and here is the explanations. Okay, I think it is clear. Thank you for watching. Bye.